Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer Google Play balance to PayPal. First, open the Play Store on your mobile device. Next, click on the account button in the upper right corner of the screen. This will take you to a new page with various options. Manage apps and devices, offers and notifications, payments and subscriptions, Play Protect, library settings, and finally Help and Feedback Center. Click on Help and Feedback, scroll down on the new page, and click on the Contact Us button at the end. Describe your query as, "How can I transfer my Play Store balance to PayPal?" and click Next. You'll be presented with several options, including About Play Balance, Transfer Account Content, and Buy with Play Balance. Choose About Play Balance as the first option, then click Next Step. On the following page, click Next Step again. You'll now see two options, Chat and Email. Select Email. Fill in your first name, last name, and transaction ID. Choose the most appropriate category and click Submit. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.